Good morning! Is this the bus stop for the city center? Good. Good morning. Yes, it is. Great, thank you. Which bus should I take to get to the city center? You can take the number 7 bus that goes downtown. Thank you. That's very helpful. Is us going downtown?
Yes, that's the one.
Perfect! I don't want to miss it. Good morning!
Good morning! Welcome aboard. Thank you.
Thank you. How much is the bus fare, please?
It's a small fare for one trip. It's a small fare for one trip.
Okay, here you are. Thank you. Excuse me, is this seat available?
Yes, it is. Please, go ahead.
Thank you so much. Excuse me, do you know which stop I should get off at?
Get off at the city center stop.
Okay, I'll remember that. Is the next stop the city center?
No, it's 2 more stops from here.
Oh, I see. Thank you for telling me. I think my stop is coming.
Yes. Yes, you should get ready.
Thanks for reminding me. Thanks for reminding me. Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye. Excuse me, could you help me? Of course. What are you looking for? I'm looking for the fresh vegetables.
The vegetables are at the end of this aisle.
Great! Thank you for showing me.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, do these tomatoes look fresh to you?
Yes, they look very fresh.
Wonderful. I'll take a few. Excuse me, how much does this cost?
It cost $5.
Okay, that sounds good. Could you tell me where the milk is?
It's in the
Refrigerator section over there.
there. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll go have a look.
What's the difference between these two?
One is low fat and the other is regular.
I see. Thank you for explaining.
Everything smells delicious.
Our bread was baked this morning. Then I'd
like a fresh loaf, please. Did you find everything you needed? Yes, I did. Thank you for asking. That's wonderful. How much is everything? Your total is $25. Here you are. Thank you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. You too. See you next time. Good afternoon. Could I see the menu, please? Of course. Here you are. Thank you. What would you recommend?
our cappuccino. Our cappuccino is very popular.
That sounds perfect. I'll try that. I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, please. I'd like a cheese sandwich. Does the sandwich have cheese and vegetables?
Yes, it does.
Great, great. I'll have one. Here you are.
Thank you. Thank you.
Excuse me, is this table free?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. Wow, this coffee is really good. Good.
It's one of my favorites too.
Now I understand why. Excuse me, could I have the bill, please? Certainly. I'll bring it right away. Thank you. Thank you for the lovely service. You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Ordering food and drinks in English is easy when you know the right phrases. Let's practice them again in the next situation.
Where can I find this type of product?
It's on the shelf near the entrance.
Thank you. I'll take a look. Do you have another option? Yes, we have a few different choices. Could you show me one, please? What's the difference between these two?
They have different ingredients and uses.
I see. Thank you for explaining. I think I'll take this one. Certainly. Certainly for your help. Thank you for your help.
How much does this one cost?
It cost dollars. It callers. $8.
Okay, that sounds reasonable.
That will be $8, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Could I have the receipt, please?
Oh, please? Of course. Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for your help today.
You are very welcome.
Have a welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Now you know how to ask for help, compare products, and pay politely in English. Let's move on to our next everyday situation.
Hello! This store looks beautiful. Thank you. Welcome. I'm looking for something elegant and comfortable. I really like this dress. Can I see it more closely? Of course. The fabric is very soft. It feels lovely. Do you have this dress in a medium? Yes, I think we have one in the back. Wonderful. Could you please check?
This dress fits me really well. I like the way it looks from the front.
What do you think? It looks beautiful on you. Thank you. I like it too. I'd like to try this outfit as well. Sure, the changing room is right over there. Thank you.
This outfit feels very comfortable. And I really like how the trousers fit.
Which look do you prefer? I think the second outfit suits you very well. I agree, it feels more like my style.
I'll take this outfit, please. Great choice. Thank you. I'm really happy with it. Trying clothes before buying them is always a good idea. You can check the fit, style, and comfort before making your choice. Excuse me, could you help me? Of course. Of course. What are you looking for? I'm trying to find the train station. Is the train station far from here? No, it's about 10 minutes from here. That's great, I can walk there. Yes, just keep walking straight. Should I go straight from here? Okay, I understand. Yes, turn right at the traffic lights. Perfect. Thank you. So I go straight and turn right at the traffic lights, correct? Exactly. You'll see the station after that. Wonderful. Is there a landmark I should look for? Yes. Look for the large clock tower. That will make it much easier. Thank you. Thank you so much for your help. You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day. I think I'm going the right way. Let's see if I can find the clock tower. There it is! I can see the clock tower. The directions were very clear. I found the train station. Asking for directions in English is easier than it seems.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed learning English with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next everyday situation.